Okay, the last type of bird feeder that we're going to make is out of an egg carton. First step is to take scissors and cut off this flap and the lid. Okay, once you do that, you can decide how many circles you want your bird feeder to be. I'm going to do 6, which I could actually make 2 different bird feeders out of. If you want to use the whole carton, you can, or if you only want to use a couple circles, you can do that as well. So for this one, all you have to do is place the bird seed in the different holes. You can use peanut butter if you want it to stick better, but you do not have to. So I will do some peanut butter in them, but you don't have to coat it a lot because it'll stay in the holes regardless. It is nice to put the peanut butter so that if it's windy, the seed doesn't just fall out. Okay, so here's my peanut butter in there. And all you have to do is take bird seed and sprinkle it in. If you want to hang this one, I recommend having a hole punch or having an adult poke the holes in with something sharp because the cardboard is harder to go through. Okay, so once you have your holes, you just string it through. So you want to make 4 holes, 2 on each side. You just want to tie the string on each 4 holes. This one is specifically made to hang in a tree, but if you have somewhere else that it would work, you're more than welcome to do that as well. If you do not have access to birdseed, you can go ahead and make it so that when you do have access, it is ready for the birds. Okay, that is how you make a bird feeder out of an egg carton.